it is impossible to make an intro while I'm still exhausted.
Like
I have a Red Bull. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh. Oh, all right. What's poppin', baby? Hi, Mom.
Good morning.
Yes, we're here bright and early. Oh, baby. You come hither. The Boston cream. Cream in my mouth. Oh. Alright, so it stopped raining. They're drying the track right now. There it is. We're gonna unload the race car now. People are starting to warm their cars up. So I just made a last minute decision. I'm gonna double in Pro and Super Pro. So I'm going off the top and the bottom. So now I have to go hurry and warm the car up because Pro goes right after Juniors. Yeah, here we go. We're going up for my first hit. I'm doubling in Pro and Super Pro today. So I've never like go off the bottom with the trans brake. I've only foot brake. So
it's gonna be late.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go up there and be like 60 red.
Might be, but just know you gotta wait on it, that's all.
What's the deal, Phil?
The deal is I'm doing my tires and we're gonna send it. So I was 27 red first time running Pro. That was my first time ever letting off the trans brake off the bottom. Fuel her up, go back up for first time run for Super Pro, put the delay box back in, get back in the lanes, and yeah. I must be an eager beaver today because I was 16 red off the top. I'm gonna turn the leave RPM down 200 for Pro and try to leave a little later. You can't win if you're red, and I'd rather be a little late green than be red. So even though I am leaving second in Pro, which is nice because we don't have true start here. So whoever leaves first is red, I win to leave second. Someone did not shift. There's not a lot of people here. So they also changed it from a 5 grander to a 2500 to win. I don't know why. I got my money back from the rained out date of the 5 grander that we were supposed to race today because I'm probably not going to be here for when they rescheduled it. So
cheesy fries or
I hope all of that's going that way because over there looks great, and then over here this looks awful. That doesn't look as bad as that. Well, it is raining part 2. It's been raining for like 15 minutes. It's sunny over there. Not sunny. Sunny. Not sunny. This is how it goes. This is how it goes in Florida. It'll literally be raining right here, and then right over here it won't be raining. That's why we don't race in the summer in Florida. People think that we race year round in Florida. We don't. Our off season is the summer, like June, July, August.
Your head floats around in it. Look, yeah. Look at that. Look. Hold on. Let me get a little more action.
How you feel about it?
Somebody hire my dad to be their filmer. Professional grade filming.
Can't afford it.
No. Oh, it's great. Very nice.
Because we're cool like that.
What are you doing?
Well, they just called the race. They just rained it out again. And instead of trying to come up with a rain out date, they just gave us a refund, which is cool. We're gonna get the car loaded up and I'm gonna have to film some kind of content for this vlog. It's gonna be a lame ass vlog with 2. At least I got 2 hits instead of 1.
L.
Yeah.
Logan,
Nathan.
what do you want to do today?
I'm going to Dan's house.
Oh. Alright. Hey, I want to get some skirt shot on the scoots. I know Logan is going to edit this out, but you can follow me on Instagram. Hit me up with a few follows. Oh, you're getting me so wet.
That's what she said.
You're getting me so wet. No. I got jokes on you.
Oh, do you see this up here? Oh my God.
He is a moron. Look at him. He's so dumb. I hope he falls. I hope he falls.
I guess since I don't have anything else for content today, we can talk about the military, which is kind of a touchy subject for me right now. Basically, there was some miscommunication when I broke my toe, in November, I think. The day after I swore into the delayed entry program, there was some miscommunication with my recruiter and there was never any paperwork turned in for my toe. So I showed up in MEPS. They did an exam, like a physical exam, before we left to go to the airport to ship. They told me that they didn't have any records for my broken toe and I needed records and they couldn't get those records that day, so they sent me home. I lost the job that I booked and I lost my ship date. So we're starting basically all over again, except now it's a little more difficult because of the coronavirus, the COVID-19 stuff is going on. So I'm rebooking a job and my medical records are being processed right now. So I don't know how much more racing I'll be able to do before I have to leave. And I do have plans for after boot camp and tech school of getting my own car and starting my own racing program. And I have plans for videos while all that's going on. Yeah, that's the story with the military. Fixed the tire blowout, literally 20 minutes from the shop. We got off the interstate and it blew as we were pulling up to the red light at the exit, so that's cool. We're on our way back to the shop now. All right, well, drop the trailer off, and it's literally raining as we get out of the truck.
What is your hat doing right now?
Thank you for watching. I know it wasn't much racing today, but hopefully we gave you a little bit of content, make you laugh. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see other than racing videos in the meantime after basic training. Give me some ideas for videos until I can get my own racing program going. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button down there. It helps me out a lot. Like the video, share it. Till the next one. Peace out.